Glenview School District 34 is asking voters to consider a referendum to address facility needs. If passed, the referendum would fund capital projects to improve safety and security, repair and replace aging mechanical systems and deteriorating infrastructure, as well as improve efficiency, address accessibility issues, update instructional space, including renovations of every classroom and construction to make room for full-day kindergarten, and repair and renovate Springman Middle School. The referendum asks for $119 million and will appear on the March 17, 2020 ballot. The Board of Education unanimously approved the ballot measure in December 2019.
For the last 2 years, the school district has been very deliberate about taking an in-depth approach to understanding its facilities needs, and we've done that really in two fundamental ways. One way was to conduct a facilities assessment, and really what that study revealed to us was the physical condition of all of our facilities in the district. The infrastructure, the electrical, the heating and cooling systems, plumbing, roofing systems across the district. It really gave us a sharper understanding of the needs that we have.
The $119 million referendum is reduced from the $139 million proposal first presented to the community last fall. The board downsized the referendum and its impact on taxpayers by increasing the district's contribution from savings, reducing construction and design expenses by lowering contingencies, eliminating the relocation of the district administration building and warehouse, and limiting the work done on the existing building.
The second component to understanding our facilities needs was to conduct a space utilization study. And what that study did was allow us to have a richer understanding of the facility space challenges that we have in the school district. That we, in some buildings, are educating children in hallway settings because the buildings just do not have the space to educate children in smaller group environments or in one-to-one settings.
Community members can see the estimated impact on their own tax bill by using the tax calculator at glenview34.org/taxcal. Be an informed voter, attend one of the information sessions offered, and visit glenview34.org to learn more about the district's facility needs, how the referendum funds would be used to address them, and how the referendum would impact you.